A local Attleboro manufacturing organization is celebrating a big milestone. Empire Group Inc. specializes in product development and manufacturing within the city, and they recently announced that they are ISO 9001 compliant. The ISO 9001 certification means that the company meets a series of quality management standards within their manufacturing process. The company hopes that this will help the organization to grow and open the door to businesses in other markets. The organization held a ribbon cutting and open house where many local dignitaries took a tour of the facility. To learn more, we spoke with founder Jason Enos.
The Empire Group is a very diverse company that offers help to larger companies in the product development industry. Today we're celebrating our announcement of being ISO 9001 compliant. We've had the luck to have public officials as well as the Chamber of Commerce come through our company to explain what we do and how the Chamber could help us improve our business. It's going to be a really exciting day for us. We have an open house for the first time ever to kind of show some of the new technologies and how things are made. We had them here today to basically, celebrate and help launch us being 9001 ISO compliant. We're hoping this will open a lot of doors for us in different areas of business, primarily in both the medical device and the military. We're hoping we can open some doors there to do a little bit more contract type manufacturing work. Primarily we're a prototype shop that does a lot of the upfront design and prototype work, and this is a new venture for us and a new area of business that we're trying to promote. Empire is a very unique company, and really it's unique based upon its story. Empire started in its humble beginnings in Berkeley, Massachusetts, in a one-car garage. That's how it was started by myself. Pretty much gave up my 20s to establish this business, and the hard work has paid off, and that's what we're celebrating today. This is a very proud day for us. Starting from our humble beginnings to where we are today it's been a feat, and it's been an exciting feat. The great thing of Empire is since inception in 1999, we still have the same employees that started with us then, are still with us today. 9 years ago, we moved from Berkeley, Massachusetts to Attleboro here, where we currently are, based upon the need to find more talented individuals in the Boston region and the Rhode Island region. And we've been very successful with that in our current location. And we're still continually growing and looking for new areas of business. And that's why we became ISO, really is the driving factor behind that. With Empire, our background when we first started was based upon the toy industry. That's where I got my background. I started at Hasbro Toys back in my late teens, and that's basically where I went to schooling for all of this, and was really at Hasbro. In that area I was able to meet a lot of people at my young age that turned out to be customers of mine to this day. But we've evolved. Toys was, that was our strength, but as we grew we knew and we identified if we wanted to grow and be a successful company we had to get in other areas of business. And that's why, one of the reasons why we're doing what we're doing today is to get into new markets. But primarily when we started it was all in the toy industry, and as we grew we got into other areas. We've got into military, we've gotten into medical, we've gotten into consumer products and a lot of juvenile type work. So we're a very diverse group that can roll into a lot of different areas of business and help. We're one of the only companies that I know of that can do everything from start to finish in the product development world. We can do any of the upfront work all the way straight through to prototyping and everything in between. And we can fill in where needed for larger companies to help with their design staff or their prototyping needs. But we also do a ton of work for independent inventors as well. People off the street that have a great idea that really need help developing it, we can also do that. So that's what's really kept us strong and growing and prosperous, being able to be diverse and help a lot of different type of people. We chose Attleboro basically because we really needed to draw talent from Boston area and Rhode Island. We had a lot of people and a lot of contacts we had in those areas, and for us to get them to come work for us, we had to be a little bit more accessible to them. Being in Berkeley was very hard for employees to travel and work and work the long hours that this job demands. So the logical choice was to move to Attleboro. It's right in the center of everything. We're 30 minutes south of Boston and almost less than 30 minutes north of Providence. So we're right in the middle. It's very easy to get to a lot of our core clients, which are all up in the Boston area or in the Rhode Island area. It's really a perfect location, and it's been since inception, and it's actually helped us grow. We are very happy today with the opportunity that's been given us, having the people that have come through. We have very high hopes of opening a lot of new doors and allowing that to help us grow into new markets. We're in a lot of markets now, but with this new endeavor, we're confident that we'll be able to open up new doors and new opportunities, both for the company and for its employees.